Ready to ditch the daily styling struggle and finally get the full, vibrant look you deserve without sacrificing length? Discover your next, effortlessly chic haircut right here. 1. Blunt Lob. This cut is a game changer for thin hair because the blunt ends create a strong visual line, making the hair appear much denser and thicker at the bottom. It requires minimal styling, just a quick smooth with a flat iron or a simple air dry. It's universally flattering, especially for those with straight or slightly wavy hair texture. Opting for a single-length blunt perimeter eliminates wispy ends, which is key for maximizing fullness in fine hair. This style holds volume well at the root with little effort and looks polished even on busy days. It's perfect for the professional woman seeking a chic, no-fuss style. 2. Tousled Wavy Lob. The introduction of tousled waves instantly adds texture and body, disguising fine strands and giving the illusion of significantly more hair. This is a fantastic low-maintenance option as it looks best when air-dried with a sea salt spray. It works wonderfully for round and square face shapes, adding softness. Messy, undone texture is the secret weapon for thin hair, as it prevents hair from lying flat against the scalp. This style requires minimal heat styling. Scrunching and go is often sufficient. It is highly recommended for women with a natural wave pattern looking for an effortless, everyday look. 3. Long A-line Bob. The A-line structure, which is slightly shorter in the back and longer towards the front, creates a stacked effect that builds volume at the crown and nape. This geometric shape gives a modern, thick appearance without needing extensive layers. It's particularly striking on those with strong jawlines. This cut uses the angle to its advantage, giving the impression of thickness without heavy product use. The slight forward length beautifully frames the face and can be styled straight or with a gentle bend at the ends for a more voluminous finish. Ideal for those transitioning from longer styles. 4. Shaggy Lob with Wispy Bangs. The shag is the ultimate low-maintenance cut for fine hair. Choppy, well-placed layers and wispy bangs instantly add movement and texture, making the hair look fuller and less structured. It's perfect for minimizing styling time, just air dry and add a texturizing spray. This style works by creating dimension and a relaxed, bohemian vibe. The feathered layers provide lift and bounce without thinning out the ends too much. It's highly versatile and particularly suits those with a smaller forehead who want to add some playful framing. 5. Deep Side-Part Lob. Simply switching to a deep side part instantly pushes hair over and creates root lift and significant volume right where it's needed most. This technique is incredibly effective for fine hair, offering a simple styling trick without requiring a specific cut. It's great for adding drama and elegance. The deep side part is a trick of the eye. It makes the hair on the heavier side appear thicker and provides instant elevation at the crown. This is no commitment, easy styling change that transforms a basic lob. It flatters most face shapes, particularly those with a strong profile. 6. Collarbone-Grazing with soft layers. A cut that hits right above the collarbone is the perfect length to create movement without sacrificing the appearance of weight. Adding soft, internal layers prevents a flat look while keeping the overall shape full and easy to manage with simple blow drying. This style is characterized by layers that are long and strategically placed, focused mainly around the face and ends. The goal is to add gentle texture and shape for natural movement, which is essential for preventing thin hair from falling limp. It's an ease-to-grow-out style. 7. Inverted Lob. Similar to the A-line, but with a more aggressive stack in the back, the inverted lob creates instant volume and a round, full shape at the crown. This lift makes the hair look substantially thicker, requiring minimal product to maintain the illusion of density. It's a sharp, sophisticated look. The stacked layers in the back are the key feature, pushing the hair up and out for immediate body. This structure works especially well for fine, straight hair that typically lacks height. It's a bold cut that offers both edge and effortless maintenance, often just needing a quick brush. 8. Butterfly Lob. The butterfly cut on a lob length is perfect for thin hair, using strategic long and short layers to create the appearance of extreme volume and movement. The shorter, face-framing layers mimic the look of curtain bangs and give a natural lift around the cheekbones. This style offers the best of both worlds, the volume of short hair, but the length of a medium cut. The layers are designed to be light and airy, allowing the hair to lift effortlessly and encouraging a natural, bouncy flick. It's an easy style to achieve volume with a round brush. 9. Curled Ends Lob. A simple styling trick is to curl or flip the ends of a blunt lob. Curling the ends inward gives an elegant, polished look that makes the ends appear substantially thicker and healthier. This look requires minimal effort and is an immediate volume booster for fine hair. Flipping the ends outward, a popular 90s revival, gives the hair a playful, bouncy effect that adds instant width and movement. This style is incredibly quick to achieve with a flat iron or large barrel curling iron and is ideal for giving a fresh, lifted appearance to limp hair. Ends Lob with curtain bangs. Curtain bangs are perfect, low-commitment fringe option for thin hair. They are longer and split in the middle, blending seamlessly with face framing layers, which adds a beautiful layer of dimension and volume around the face without making the main length look thin. This style is flattering and easy to manage because the bangs are long enough to be pulled back or tucked, yet they provide the necessary front end weight to make the hair appear fuller. They draw attention to the eyes and cheekbones, distracting from the fineness of the overall length.